Welcome to Unpack Your Financial Baggage, where we help you answer one simple question. Will you outlive your money, or will your money outlive you? Here are your hosts, certified financial planner and managing partner of Melone Private Wealth, Lou Melone, and editor of D Business Magazine, RJ King. I'm John Gay. I produce the podcast. I'm filling in for RJ King. Today we're joined by a member of your team, Brandon Carney, who is also a certified financial planner. Welcome, Brandon.
Thank you for having me. It's great to be here.
So we have Brandon with us to help give perspective on how younger generations perceive wealth planning and retirement. Brandon is a member of this younger generation, and we look forward to his perspective. So a lot of themes about the young people we already know. One is lack of a retirement plan. We also know there's not a lot of saving for retirement, and certainly not a lot of information consumed on how financial plans work, what financial planners do, and the importance of having a plan.
It's been fairly well documented that younger generations, they don't tend to save or haven't begun to save for their retirement. Now, there's numerous reasons for this, but we don't need to pound that nail or really cover that topic in depth today. So I think younger people historically have been told to have a plan for retirement in almost do this or else approach, right? So in reality, the do this or else approach, it hasn't worked for financial planning or for a variety of industries mentoring young people, frankly. It hasn't worked in general when trying to convince young people to do just about anything.
Today, information provided is for educational, informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, and it should not be relied on as such. It should not be considered a solicitation to buy or an offer to sell a security. It does not take into account any investor's particular investment objectives, strategies, tax status, or investment horizon. You should consult your attorney or tax advisor. The views expressed in this commentary are subject to change based on market and other conditions. These documents may contain certain statements that may be deemed forward-looking statements. Please note that any such statements are not guarantees of future performance, and actual results or developments may differ materially from those projected. Any projections, market outlooks, or estimates are based on certain assumptions and should not be construed as indicative of actual events that will occur. All information has been obtained from sources believed to be reliable, but its accuracy is not guaranteed. There is no representation or warranty as to the current accuracy, reliability, or completeness of, nor liability for, decisions based on such information, and it should not be relied on as such. Melone Private Wealth LLC, MPW, is a registered investment advisor. Advisory services are only offered to clients or prospective clients where MPW and its representatives are properly licensed or exempt from licensure. No investment strategy or risk management technique can guarantee returns or eliminate risk in any market environment. All investments include a risk of loss that clients should be prepared to bear. The principal risks of MPW strategies are disclosed in the publicly available Form ADV Part 2A. Generally, among asset classes, stocks are more volatile than bonds or short-term instruments. Government bonds and corporate bonds have more moderate short-term price fluctuations than stocks, but provide lower potential long-term returns. U.S. Treasury bills maintain a stable value if held to maturity, but returns are generally only slightly above the inflation rate. This has been the Unpack Your Financial Baggage podcast. Feel free to share this episode with someone you think it may benefit. You can also follow our show on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you're listening right now. To learn more about Melone Private Wealth, visit MalonePrivateWealth.com. The Unpack Your Financial Baggage podcast is produced by Jag and Detroit Podcasts.